Alright y'all, welcome back to Two Drinks with Teggy. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a second drink. As you can see from my empty glass, I chugged that first drink pretty fast and I feel great right now. But anyway, so yeah, like I said, I'll be teaching you guys how to make a Winter Citrus Tequila Smash. It's a mouthful and it's a lot of ingredients, so bear with me with this one. But yeah, excited to teach you guys how to make this, and let's jump right into it. Let me not talk your ears off. I am kind of tipsy now. All right, so for the Winter Citrus, what is this shit called? For the Winter Citrus Tequila Smash. Oh my God, such a mouthful. You need a lot of ingredients. First, you need to. I'll explain what tools you need. Zester to zest your orange. As you can see, I have this beautifully zested oranges here. And then you need a grater to grate your, what's that, ginger. I didn't have a grater and I was too lazy to go to the store to get one, and I tried to use a knife and that's how I got this. So, word of advice, use a grater for the ginger. And you'll need some mint, lime, and some oranges. Like I said, it's a lot going on in here. All right, so let's jump into it. To start off, you want to put your your half oranges in there or quarter oranges in there. 4 of them, 2, 3, 4. You can add some lime juice, about 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Next, you want to add some honey in there. Just for flavor, as much as you need, give it some sweetness. There we go. Okay, and then you want a teaspoon of some garlic, ginger. I'm so sorry, ginger, not garlic, ginger, and a teaspoon of some zested orange. All right, next you want to add some mint to your contortion, I don't know how to say that word, to your mixture. So 4 leaves would be fine, but I wanted more mint, so I'll do 5. All right, so after adding your mint, it's now time to use one of my favorite tools, the muddler, because I love to fuck shit up. So, sorry, actually, before you use the muddler, I got ahead of myself. I was too excited to fuck shit up. You want to add about 1 ounce or 1/2 ounce of pomegranate juice into there, and then you muddle, get all those juices flowing. All right, so after you muddle that up, you now add some ice in there. And then you want to add 2 ounces of your 512 tequila. Shout out 512. 512 sponsor me. Give me free booze. Yay. And then you want to shake it like a salt shaker. Oh, all these cuts on my hand from not having a grater. Ouch. All right, and then you get your lowball glass, add a little bit of ice at first, and then you want to add a little bit of, just add 1 or 2, oranges in there. Give it some more color. Fill it up with some more ice. And then you strain all that out of there. And finally, you want to top it off with some soda water. And then, obviously, you always need to make your drink look pretty. Add 1 sprig of mint for your garnish. And there you have it. The Winter Citrus Tequila Smash. Yes, I got it in one go. Cheers, everybody. Let's see how tasty this drink comes out to be. Okay, not bad.